So there is a new form of scam that is becoming popular, especially in the Kenyan poultry market. Picture these. You are actually in dire need of that pure Kienyeji, tasty, delicious chicken. Then you decide to go to the market to purchase one. You go to the market, get it, come back home, slaughter it with all the excitement that there is. You actually even go ahead and wash your hands, with all the urgency and the anxiety that you have. Then once you just dig in and put that first piece in your mouth, you realize it's not as tasty and delicious as you had expected. Guess what? You've just been scammed. This is Africa Farming. My name is Samuel, and as always, this channel is for new generation farmers and new entrants in farming, basically, who are willing to learn about farming practices. So if you're new here, take a second or two to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit on that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever we release a new video. And to our subscribers, we want to thank you so much for supporting us. Continue doing the same. So today, we're going to have a discussion of how to actually distinguish between that pure Kienyeji chicken and an improved version of the Kienyeji chicken. For those people who don't know what Kienyeji means, Kienyeji is a Swahili word that means indigenous. There are a number of people out here who've actually bought improved Kienyeji chicken thinking that was pure Kienyeji chicken. We all know that pure Kienyeji chicken is very, very expensive compared to improved and exotic breeds. So people out here are taking advantage of that and selling improved Kienyeji breed at the price of pure Kienyeji breed. So today, we want to talk about the distinguishing factors, like how will you know that you're purchasing or you're getting yourself a pure Kienyeji breed as opposed to an improved version of breed. Today we'll go through some of the things to look out for in order for you to determine if the chicken you're getting is pure Kienyeji or improved Kienyeji. So the first thing you need to look out for is the legs. So whenever you go to buy your chicken, check out the legs of your chicken. So if you find out that the legs are long, thinner, and if you try to feel them, they have harder scales, chances are very high that that is pure Kienyeji chicken. But if you find out that the legs are short and then they are fat and then the scales are kind of soft, have your doubts along that, because trust you me, that might not necessarily be a pure breed of indigenous chicken. So pure Kienyeji chicken have completely yellow legs or even completely black legs. So if you look at their legs, it's either black in color, completely black, not gray, completely black, or completely yellow. So if you find any other color apart from pure yellow and pure black, know that you're not dealing with a pure Kienyeji breed. So that is the first thing to look out for. Look at the legs. The second thing you need to look out for is the vent. The vent is the place where they poop from, and also the skin. These are very, very important things to look out for. Now, Kienyeji chicken, the pure Kienyeji chicken always store its fat around the vent area. So if you look at the vent area, it should be yellow in color. If you find out that it's white, chances are high that that will not be a pure Kienyeji breed. But now, if you look at the vent and find out that it's yellow, chances are also high that that is a pure Kienyeji breed. Another thing to also look out for is the skin. The skin color. Most pure Kienyeji breed are yellow. Yeah, their fat deposits are just underneath their skin. So you'll find out that most of them are yellow. For improved versions, most of them are actually white. So when you get hold of that chicken, try to check along the feathers. Just pull the feathers kidogo and see. If the color is yellow, chances are high that that is pure Kienyeji breed. But if it's white, that can kind of signal to you that it is an improved version. Now, another thing to also note when it comes to the skin, and these will come out especially when you have slaughtered that chicken. So if you find out that the skin is actually thin, pure Kienyeji breeds have a thin layer of skin as opposed to the improved version. The reason is pure are actually organic eaters. They scavenge for food and all that, so they don't end up being very, very fat and all that. And also they don't eat a lot compared to the improved versions, which eat a lot and all that. So you'll find out that the improved versions are actually more fat or stout So their skin layer is actually is not that thin, it's actually thick compared to pure kienyeji. Another thing to look out for when it comes to the skin are the pimples. When you slaughter that chicken and you find out that it does not have uniform distribution of pimples around it, around the whole body, then chances are very high that that is not a pure Kienyeji breed, because pure Kienyeji breeds have uniform pimples around the whole body. So the skin and the vent of that particular chicken will actually give you a signal as to whether you're dealing with a pure Kienyeji breed or an improved Kienyeji breed. The third thing to look out for are the eyes. Now, we normally have the iris and the pupil. Even in chicken also, every chicken has the iris part and the pupil part. So for pure Kienyeji chicken, if you get hold of that chicken and find that its color, the color of the iris is not yellow, chances are very high you'll not be dealing with pure Kienyeji breed, because pure Kienyeji breed have yellow iris and black pupils. So if you find out that that chicken has, for example, gray iris and black pupil, you might be dealing with an improved version of Kienyeji chicken. So check out the eyes. That can actually signal to you that you might be dealing with an improved version. The other thing to look out for is the weight of the chicken. Now, if you compare, for example, a 4-month-old pure Kienyeji breed and a 4-month-old improved Kienyeji breed, you'll find out that the pure Kienyeji breed is slightly smaller and actually weighs less compared to the improved version. So the reason is improved versions of Kienyeji chicken always eat a lot compared to their pure Kienyeji counterparts. So when you're looking at the weight, when you're buying that chicken and looking at the weight and you find out that this particular chicken is too big and they're selling to you as a pure breed, kindly have your antenna up, because that might be an improved version and not a pure version. Another thing also to look out for are the feathers. Now, this is something that I would want you to try at home. When a rooster mounts on a chicken, on that pure Kienyeji chicken or improved Kienyeji chicken, normally they always perch on the shoulders of the chicken. So if you find out that with time the feathers are actually, the chicken is actually losing feathers on the shoulders, chances are high that you might have an improved version of a Kienyeji chicken, because Kienyeji chickens don't lose feathers that easily. So if you want to compare, you can have your pure Kienyeji chicken and an improved Kienyeji chicken, have them be mounted by a rooster. Within no time, you'll find out that the improved version of Kienyeji chicken will have lost its feathers along the shoulders, basically, because of the mounting. But for the pure one, it will always have those feathers. So that actually means that improved version, the improved Kienyeji chicken always loses feathers very, very easily compared to the pure original Kienyeji breed. So that is also a signal. I would want you to maybe go and do your own experiment at home. Whatever you find out, kindly come back and send us the feedback on our comment section. Now, these are just some of the things that you need to look out for whenever you go out there to buy that pure Kienyeji breed, because many people will lie to you that these are pure breed, yet it's an improved version. So remember, number 1, kindly check on the legs. Number 2, check on the vent and the skin. Number 3, check on the weight. Number 4, check on the eyes. And finally, check on the feathers. Those will signal to you whether you're dealing with a pure breed or an improved version of Kienyeji breed. I hope you've learned a thing or two on how to distinguish between a pure Kienyeji chicken and an improved version of Kienyeji chicken. Now, our statistics always show that 70% of people who watch our videos have not yet subscribed. So if you belong to that particular category, take a second or two to subscribe to our channel, hit on the notification bell so that YouTube can actually notify you whenever we release some of these videos. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and tell your friends to subscribe to this channel. So until next time, changamka na ukulima. Bye bye.